Again, I'm here back at my workshop, and it's also a beautiful day again. And I got some stuff done today. Here's my dual core, dual coil counter. One coil clockwise, the other one counterclockwise. And I got it in a stator plate. And it looks pretty good. I used super glue gel, super glue runny, and epoxy glue. And each of these has 4 wires coming out. There's 2 parallel wires in each coil, and I hooked them series 80. The coils themselves are not counterclockwise wound. There's 2 separate coils. One is counterclockwise wound through the other. And there's a little bit of an air gap in these between the size of this washer. So this is my first version of this. My second version has those cores with the 3 pennies in between. And I'm going to snap off these pennies at the end after I wrap it really good, like this one. And then I'll put some epoxy, probably, and some super glue at the end to kind of seal it up. So the new version is not going to have these plastic washers on the ends. And so you start winding this way with this one, then you jump it over, little jumper wire, and then you wind the coil on the back side the opposite direction. So I got those 2 done. I need to do 6 more of those. And then it's under compression right now. This has just normal windings, full length, but they're bifilar coils. So I'm going to run these series 80. And I'm going to also put black sand inside each of these holes that go all the way through. And what I did is I got a little foam mounting tape, a little bit in there. And first I get them as good as I can centered and everything straight with the foam mounting tape. And then I dribble some super glue gel in there. Then I dribble some super glue running type in there. And then I pour some epoxy in there. And I get the epoxy, I leave it out in the sun before I mix it so it's hot, so it's nice and runny. And then finally I'll go back over with some super glue gel, and these are in there pretty stiff. Because I have 2 rotors, one on each side, I have to make sure these are all sticking out just the same. This one looks a little low. It's okay though. So that's what I got done today. And so that's it. Thanks for watching.